If you struggle with making healthy rice at home, or your rice always comes out sticky, heavy, or high in starch, then this video is for you. Today we are reviewing the Cook with Color 3L Glass Low-Carb Rice Cooker, a smart kitchen appliance designed to help you make healthier, low-carb rice with zero hassle. This Cook with Color 3L Glass Low-Carb Rice Cooker uses a smart two-step cooking process. First, it boils the rice to remove excess starch, and then it steams it to make the rice fluffy, light, and much healthier compared to traditional cooking methods. One of the biggest problems people face is sticky or unhealthy rice, but this cooker solves that with its auto-lifting stainless steel basket. It automatically separates rice from starchy water, so you don't need to drain anything manually. It's not just a rice cooker. You can also use this Cook with Color 3L Glass Low-Carb Rice Cooker for steaming, hot pot, soups, stews, and more. The adjustable power control and keep warm function make it perfect for everyday cooking. Made with durable borosilicate glass and stainless steel, it also lets you see your food while cooking, which makes it even more convenient and modern. So if you want healthier rice, easier cooking, and a multi-purpose kitchen gadget, this product is a great choice.